Skadi's tower. The tower? Where the fuck did everybody go? 3 heroes dead. Their carry can't buy back. I ping the tower. You go clear another camp. One checks the triangle. 1 TP's away. By the time you guys are ready, all 5 are in the game. Over at Legion, Peel says let's go. 5 guys move together like a military show. I make the same call 20 seconds ahead. You say one more wave, and suddenly we're dead.
Maybe it's my voice, maybe it's my name. If my Discord tag said Pew, would you finally play the game?
If I were Pew, you'd follow every ping. 5 men on the tower like the Dora means a ting. If I were Pew, you'd never question why. Maelstrom into Skadi, then we watch their ancient die.
But I'm just Thiago, so everybody farms while Legion takes the Roshan, and I'm screaming out the plan.
I'll do the Cadillac at the tailor. Gibimba, where are you pinging?
It all takes the wind, and everybody cheers. I buy one little Skadi, suddenly there's fear.
What the hell is Thiago building? Has he lost his mind? And their carry can't move and everybody acts surprised. Lefts are in the mid lane, Visage royalty, top 1,000 terror, Gibimba pedigree. We have enough talent to put Legion in the ground. Our only fucking problem is nobody groups around.
Legion has coordination, Legion has a plan. Gibimba has 5 captains playing 5 different games.
If I were Pew, you'd follow every ping. 5 men on the tower like the tower means a thing. If I were Pew, you'd never question why. Maelstrom into Skadi, then we watch their ancient die.
But I'm just Thiago, so everybody farms while Legion takes the Roshan, and I'm screaming out the plan.
Okay, their carry is dead. Their mid has no buyback. There's a tower right here. I am pinging it. Why is our position 4 bottom? Why are 2 people in the triangle? Guys?
Remember that 5 versus 5, yeah, I remember too. The night we moved together, what did Legion do? Same MMR, same questionable draft.